Hey y'all, welcome to THAN141 Homestead. My name is Tracy. If this is your first time here, welcome. If it's your millionth time here, welcome back. As you know, it is September, it is wood season. It's starting to cool down, but apparently not enough. I'm sweating. So I figured, what was it, last year? Year before last? The part that goes around the next to the flywheel and spins really fast, taking that magnetic field and turning it into electricity to fire the spark plug. In the comments, go. What is that called? I know it. It's on the tip of my tongue. By the time I got that part in, I had the engine taken apart to the point where I'll never get it back together right. So I went, again, last year, or possibly the year before, and went to Harbor Freight and I bought one of their 212cc OHV engines. Basically the same type of engine that was on it before. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. This is the old engine. Yes, it is. And under this cover, what did I do? Oh, I put it back together. Under this cover, there's a little thing in there. What is that called? Not a generator, not a... Coil! Coil! It's a coil! It's a coil! That collects the electromagnetic field, changes it into electricity, feeds a spark plug. But as you can see, it was in need of repair and replacement anyway. This is the shaft, and this is the internal parts. I'm hoping you guys can see this alright. This is the internal parts that go into this pump. This is the hydraulic pump. Goes to that hydraulic tank, runs that hydraulic, I don't know, transmission? Is it I'm just not thinking of words today, guys. Sorry, my PTSD is getting the best of me, I guess. Or my mind is fried. Could be either. That pushes the ram. You know, you got forward, backwards, forward, all that good stuff. And that is run by this key for the new engine that I am going to put on it. Okay, now I've got to tighten these bolts down in here, and I didn't think you guys wanted to watch me do that, so I went ahead and swapped it out. Alright, back to work. My next step is to take the inner workings of the pump off that shaft and put them on this shaft. Either way, I think I'm getting the shaft. Alright, I notice I'm missing a bolt to hold the pump on, but it went on the shaft beautifully. And I'm just going to run down to the hardware store and grab me a bolt. Alright, I put half a quart of 30 weight in it. After I'm done with this 30 weight, I have a gallon jug of 10/30 that I'm going to switch over to. So I got it with that. You can see in that slot there how that all lines up with that adapter, because apparently these teeth are bigger than these teeth, so it uses the adapter. I don't see any oil leaks. Let's go ahead and kick her up, shall we? Alright, now I already, before I even put gas in it, I cranked it over a few times to get the oil circulated through it a little. Let's see, okay. Gas is on, choke is on, throttle on, switch is on. I'll just let it idle for a minute or two, get the oil all through it. Say we try it out. Alright guys, I'm just going to let that idle for a few minutes. Let the parts kind of wear in. I'll probably, for the most part, I'll only use the wood splitter for the hard splitting blocks. Like the ones I just did have been sitting in the woodshed for a couple years because I didn't want to try messing around splitting them with the Go Devil because they were forked and just hard to take care of. Hey, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, that little notification bell so that you get notified every time I come out with new content. Thanks for stopping by the Homestead. Thanks for stopping by the Homestead today. I know you didn't learn a whole lot because I wasn't teaching. I just certain things I got to get done because Matt doesn't heat with wood anymore. Trevor had a bunch of wood given to him, so I don't know if he's going to need this. He likes to split by hand just like I do. Of course, anything Trevor and Tracy hand do is done by hand. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching me tinker. Alright? Y'all have a great day. We love ya. And God bless.